Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question. The question says the main function of androgen is dash. Option A, ovulation. Option B, spermiogenesis. Option C, menstruation. Option D, spermatogenesis. Okay, or spermatogenesis. So let us look into the question. The question says the main function of androgen is dash. So what do you mean by androgen first of all? Okay. So what are androgens? Androgens. Okay. Androgens are nothing but the male hormones. Male hormones. Okay. Male hormones. So one of the example of male hormones are nothing but the testosterone. Testosterone. Okay. That is the male hormone. Okay. Now let us look at the option now. It says what is the main function of androgen? Since it says that testosterone is a male hormone, of course, these are involved in the process of formation of sperm. These are involved in process of formation of sperms. Okay. Sperms. What are sperms? Sperms are nothing but the male gamete. Okay. So that is the importance of testosterone, as well as not only the process of formation of sperms, also the sexual maturity of the male. Okay. So let us see. So option A is ovulation. Ovulation is nothing but the release of the ovum. So male hormone does not play in ovulation because ovulation occurs in females, not male. Option B says spermiogenesis. So what do you mean by spermiogenesis? Spermiogenesis is nothing but the formation of the sperm. Okay, that is formation of sperms is known as spermiogenesis. Formation of sperm. So yes, androgens help in spermiogenesis. Okay, that is formation of the sperm. Then this is correct. Then option C says menstruation. Menstruation happens in females, so androgens do not play any role there. Hence it is true. Option D says spermatogenesis. Okay, spermatogenesis again, it is nothing but the formation of the sperm. Okay. Now here formation of the sperm from spermatids. From spermatids. Okay, this is the it is the last stage where the spermatids get converted to sperm. The spermatids get differentiated to sperm. But whereas spermatogenesis, this includes two phases. One is spermatogenesis, where there is formation of spermatids, and transformation of spermatids into sperms, that is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. So if you see, there are two options which are correct. One is spermiogenesis and the second is spermatogenesis. Now, spermiogenesis is a part of it, but spermatogenesis is the entire process. Okay, the entire process of production of sperms. Hence, we have to include, or we have to we have to look for the best answer. So the best answer will be option B, that is spermatogenesis, which includes spermiogenesis and spermatogenesis. Okay, so the option D should be the correct answer. So let us conclude the answer. So what is the answer? The answer is so let us conclude that is option D. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you everyone.